Okay, so it says construct and interpret a 95% confidence interval for the proportion of all teens in the state who passed their driving test on the first attempt. This is number 47. So hopefully you did 45 because 45 has the state and the plan portion of the question. And they're asking us, so you just repeat that, the state and the plan from 45, or don't do it again. That's fine with me because it's the exact same as you saw in 45. And shoot me an email and I'll send you the picture of the state and the plan portion of that. So we're on to the do part because, again, it was done on 45. And we want a 95% confidence interval. And I want to do this on my calculator. So I'm going to go into stat. I'm going to go over to tests. And then for this, 45 is a proportion. So we're going to do a 1 proportion Z interval, which is all the way down there. Okay, and I think these are the numbers. I want to double check. Oh, no, it's not 68. It's 86. I would have done it wrong. 86 is the X. 125 is the total number. And double check, it's a 95% confidence interval. It is. So then we hit enter. And so that is our confidence interval. I want to double check. 0.607, yep, about, to 0.769. Yep, good. All right, and they want us to interpret. And so here's the interpretation. We are 95% confident that the interval from 0.607 to 7.69 captures the true proportion of teens who pass the driving test on their first attempt. So there's your confidence interval. Part B says explain what the interval in Part A tells you about the DMV's claim. Well, the DMV claims 60% of the students pass the driving test. And if you notice, 0.60 is not in this interval. So what can we say is, because 0.60 is not an interval, we have convincing evidence that the true proportion of teens who pass the driving test on the first attempt is different. It's different than 0.60. Hope that helps.